Around 63% of the world's population uses the internet. This has increased as smartphones and social media have become more popular over the years. These technologies make it so easy to access all kinds of information, including health information. Each year, 80% of patients use the internet as a health-related search. This makes it convenient for someone to self-diagnose a concerning feeling that they might have for an ailment that they're experiencing. After all, it's faster and cheaper to go to Google for your symptoms than it is to go to your doctor. And with the development of symptom checkers, it's even easier than it ever has been before. While this is sometimes convenient, self-diagnosing with a symptom checker isn't always safe. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from eTactics, and today I'm going to share you the pros and cons of a symptom checker. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit the alert bell icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful information, you get notified. It's important to understand why people use symptom checkers. Like I already mentioned, it's so much easier to look up symptoms online than it is to go to your doctor. Many people actually try to avoid the doctor altogether because of their busy schedules. This is especially true for the younger generations who grew up with technology. They prefer having health information right at their fingertips. In fact, they prefer it so much that 45% of them don't even have a primary care physician. Adults ages 18 to 29 use health apps to self-diagnose more than any other age group. Almost 60% of people who use symptom checkers are using them to get information without needing to see a doctor. 84% of people using these checkers see them as a diagnostic tool, while 76% said that they provided insight to help them get closer to a diagnosis. Another reason why people like to use symptom checkers instead of seeing their doctor is because it saves money. Most people don't want to waste time for an appointment if they don't need to. This also means an unnecessary cost from a visit that solved nothing. Symptom checkers cause some people to rule out needing a doctor's visit, which ends up saving money. In fact, these tools can lead to a 5% reduction rate in general practitioner visits. This would save over $5.9 billion. There are people who still see a doctor even after using these tools, though. The apps aren't just a way for people to self-diagnose, but they're also an educational tool. Symptom checkers include information about conditions so patients are more educated before seeing a doctor. Or, the app suggests that a patient seeks immediate medical help if it's something serious. This encourages patients to see a doctor even if they were originally reluctant to do so. Now, one of the main dangers with only using symptom checkers is that they aren't always accurate. They give appropriate triage advice in 57% of standardized patient evaluation. Triage refers to the level of emergency such as urgent care, non-emergent care, or self-care. In 2/3 of evaluations where medical attention was not necessary, these checkers encourage getting care. Sure, it's better to be safe than sorry, but it makes people frustrated when they spend time and money on a service that they didn't need in the first place. This in turn, of course, makes them less likely to go next time that they're experiencing a concerning symptom. These tools also list the correct diagnoses first in only 34% of cases. They correctly list it in the top 3 of 51% of cases and in the top 20 for 58% of cases. This can cause patients stress, thinking that they have more serious conditions than they actually do, or, on the other hand, they might downplay the seriousness. Receiving a diagnosis from a doctor is much more accurate, between 85 to 90% accurate. Technology makes it so easy to access information, but this isn't always the best when it comes to healthcare. People take advantage of medical information online and try to use it to self-diagnose themselves. There are even apps specifically designed for checking your symptoms. While it sounds convenient and might save you time and money, it can also lead to unnecessary care. If you have a real health concern, you should always consult with your doctor. If you'd like to learn more about symptom checkers for self-diagnosing, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.